Time to focus on business. Business editor Mike Eppel joining us now. Mike, oil is up this morning. TSX is on a bit of a roll right now.
Yeah, and we'll keep track and see if, in fact, that Orico and Alamos Gold merger has any implications on merger and acquisition speculation going forward in the gold sector. You talk about the big deal last week and in the oil space specifically, and some speculation that that could be the next focal point for some Canadian deals going forward. All of this has helped the Toronto Stock Exchange. We're coming in a 7-day winning streak. Our market gained 2.5% last week. It's up about 5% for the year. The price for oil recuperating again this morning, adding to last week's gain of about 6.5%. It's up another 2% plus so far today. There is some speculation in the market that even though there is that tentative deal with Iran and nuclear arms reached about a week ago, it's not necessarily going to lead to Iran exporting oil anytime soon. So you take that combined with the news on Friday that the number of oil rigs in service in the States dropped again over the past week, and maybe a little bit more balance in the supply-demand ratio for oil, which is about $52 per barrel to start this week. China's trade statistics in overnight, not good. Exports down 15% year over year. So why then did the equity markets in China gain another 2.5% today? And up by about 10% in the past week, and the Shanghai market in the past year has doubled. Speculation is that even as the economy slows in China, the central bank will add economic stimulus, and every time we've seen central bank intervention, whether it's in the Eurozone or the United States, stock values surge. We have plenty of demand, apparently, for the new Apple Watch. The indication is on Friday alone they had pre-orders for 1 million units, and then maybe over the weekend 2.5 million Apple Watches on order. Some people were frustrated the fact they couldn't get their supply or their shipment apparently for the Apple Watch until June or July, so they gave up. But the demand for this device may be above expectations. Apple up in pre-market trade. And we also have Netflix soaring this morning. Got a buy recommendation from UBS Securities. It's indicated to start the day $16 above where it was on Friday. And we're watching Cara operations today, Ted, because on Friday that stock went up by about 40%. This Canadian restaurant chain seeing big demand for its shares on the Toronto market. Back to you.
No kidding, 40%. All right, thank you, Mike. That's business editor Mike Eppel reporting this morning. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.